think events like CCEF are so important for students, parents, and the workforce because a lot of times for students, this might be their first engagement with STEM events and activities, and it really gets them engaged and interested for what their future career might look like.
Yeah, I would agree. I think CCEF is really great exposure. You know, when I was going through college, one of the things they emphasized to me was go out, get experiences, see what there is to see. And I think it's really cool to see that exposure starting even at the middle school level, really just educating our kids about what's out there.
Students really pick their future careers that they want to do, that they want to do it based on exposure. So it's like CCEF exposed them to careers that they never would have heard of, that their family members maybe aren't engineers or aren't working in the type of industry that we work in.
The world of technology is moving so fast nowadays, especially with AI hitting the scene and moving so fast, and there's so many opportunities in the engineering and science world. It's just really cool to walk around in a place like this and meet people who have been doing this for a long time and experience it with other people who are just getting started and see what's out there and try it out with your hands.
My favorite part about CCEF is getting to see all these different STEM communities being brought together to help raise up the next generation of innovators and engineers. I think it's such a worthwhile event because you get to see every aspect of the STEM community all over the state, and you get to try out everything and really see what you like, and it helps encourage a career in the STEM field.